How to fix Instagram couldn't change the photo easily and fast. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily, so please just chill out and watch the video until the end. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this, and then scroll down, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here. Now all what you have to do on this page is search for Instagram. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar here in the top and write Instagram. Click on it, and this is the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is just click on data usage, scroll down. Now all what you have to do is disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them again like this. Go back, click on the force stop option, and then go to the notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back. Now all what you have to do is go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.